What is going on, you guys? So today I have decided to upgrade my brakes. I have a 350Z. I am already doing the passenger side, but I'm gonna show you everything that you need if you want to do it. It is not the same as the 350Z Brembos. This is the 370Z Brembo, so in other words, big brake kit. But let me show you what you need. So the first thing that I recommend getting is the StopTech stainless steel brake lines. I do not recommend using your OEM rubber brake lines. Do recommend getting these. Here's the part number, 950.42004. These brake lines are for the front, not the rear, so they're a different part number. Second thing that I recommend is getting the larger rotors. I'm going to be including the part number right now for the left and the right, and also the bigger calipers, of course. These are the Akebonos. They're by ProStop. You get them for like $280 online, Amazon $291. So that'll be pretty cool. They're the ProStop S6232. That's the part number for the front calipers. So the most important piece that you will be needing to complete the whole job is the big brake adapter kit. This is for the fronts. You do not need them for the rears. Now I got this from Concept Z Performance. The price was between $140 to $180, and yeah, you'll be needing this if you really try and do the big brake kit. Otherwise, you're just gonna have to go with the 350Z Brembos, but I like bigger. So let me show you how it's hooked up. So the way I learned being the best way installing this adapter will be to hand tighten everything. First, I'm gonna say that there's gonna be two very long bolts and two very small bolts. Those bolts are for the adapter. The longer one going right here on the top, which is gonna be holding in the spacer, moon-shaped spacer, I should say rather. All this groove really does is allows you to align the caliper perfectly so that you can insert the bolt through the adapter and then into the caliper. Without this, you can potentially strip the threads on your caliper, and then it's not good no more. So you gotta have this. That's where the longer bolt goes in, and the shorter bolt really just holds the bottom piece of the adapter. But anyways, also at the time of making the video, I did not have the rear rotors as well as the calipers. So now I received it about a week later, finally. It took about 5 days for them to ship out. Don't know why, but anyways, I received them. I will be including the part number for the rear rotors as well as the rear calipers. The brake lines, stainless steel brake lines by StopTech, well, I messed up. I bought the wrong ones, but it's all cool. I overcame the obstacle, even though it was long, but it's cool. I made it work. These are for the fronts. So I did mention that the fronts are not gonna fit the rears, but if you do indeed mess up like I did, here's how you do it. They're still gonna fit, not gonna hurt nothing. Everything bolts up just like it does in the front. They're just longer, that's about it. But let me show you how to bleed now, which is an interesting part. All right, so to bleed your brakes, well, the route that I took was two people route. Basically, I went to AutoZone, bought the brake bleeder by OEM tools. It's like $10. There's another route which allows you to do it yourself. Only one person needed it, and so it's like one of those things you plug inside here. You unscrew it to allow the fluid to come out, and then you pump it, and you're initially bleeding it yourself by pumping it. It's kind of weird, but it's cool at the same time. But I don't have time to order it and wait for it to come in, so I went this route. So have a second person sit inside the car, stick this thing inside here, and 10mm screw, unscrew this two times, and then have the second person press on the brake pedal 10 times, I'll say 10 times, and then on the 10th time have him hold down the brake pedal while you close this up and then put this grommet back in. That's it. And initially you want to bleed the brakes that is further away from the actual pump, I should say, which on the 350Z it's back passenger, then it's the driver back passenger, then it's the front right, and then front left, and which is basically front passenger, front drivers, and you're done. Just following this step and you're basically done. That's the best way I can explain it. So other than that, I also want to note that I do have new rims in the front. These are the Graham Lights 57 CRs, 18 by 9.5. The rears are coming in 18 by 10.5. The reason why I'm saying I have the rims, well, because the Odd Hunt 18-inch rims, the S02 is the model for them, they do not fit. These are bigger brakes. They do not fit. So I'm just letting you guys know that if you're doing this brake job, you want to make sure your rims fit, okay? Because you'll be like me ending up buying new rims. So I went with these rims. I was gonna buy them initially, but not now. But since I was doing this brake job, I was kind of forced to buy them. Otherwise, I won't be driving the car. I don't got extra rims out there. So yeah, other than that, I hope I covered everything in this video as detailed as possible. And be sure to subscribe and like this video if it did help you. And also be sure to share this with somebody who's going to be doing the Akebono Big brake kit upgrade. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.